Want to save more money? Well, who doesn't? Today, we're diving into the top 10 money-saving hacks you need to try. You might be amazed at how a few simple changes can make your wallet feel significantly heavier. Counting down from 10, let's start with the first hack. Number 10. Cancel unused subscriptions. It's easy to forget about that monthly magazine subscription or that app you no longer use. Take a moment to review your bank statements and cancel any subscriptions you don't need. Those small monthly fees can add up to a hefty sum over the year. Coming in at number 9. Cook at home. Not only is it healthier, but it's also much cheaper than eating out. Try planning your meals for the week and see how much you can save. Number 8. Buy in bulk. For items you use frequently, consider buying in bulk. It might seem like a big expense up front, but the cost per unit is usually much lower. At number 7, use cashback and reward programs. Many stores and credit card companies offer these programs. It's like getting free money just for shopping. Number 6, shop at thrift stores. You'd be surprised at what you can find. From clothes to furniture, thrift stores can be a goldmine of savings. Halfway there at number 5. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account each month. It's a painless way to build up your savings without even thinking about it. Number 4. Unplug electronics. Even when not in use, your electronics are still using power. Unplugging them can save you a few bucks on your electricity bill. Coming in at number 3. Use public transportation. Not only will you save on gas, but you'll also reduce wear and tear on your car. Number 2. Grow your own food. If you have the space, consider planting a vegetable garden. It's a rewarding experience and can save you money on groceries. And finally, our number 1 money-saving hack, make a budget. It's the most effective way to control your spending and save money. So there you have it, folks. 10 simple yet effective money-saving hacks. From canceling unused subscriptions to making a budget, these hacks can help you save money and live a more financially secure life. Remember, small changes can lead to significant savings, so why not start today? Your wallet will thank you.